What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chris P, and I'm back with another video. Alright, and as you guys can see here, alright, I am looking at Trusted Signals Indicator. If you're new to the channel, alright, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna do a lot of giveaways, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. Alright, I'm actually in a buy right now. Okay, let's see here. I'm up right now $230 on this specific buy, and I do believe that US30 is going to be on the way back up to 29,400, and hopefully it can break through this area. Right, I'm trying to hold this trades. Okay, as you guys can see here, I'm on the 1 minute chart, and I believe I got into the trade around this specific area right here. Okay, let's actually go back to FX Choice. This is a live account, as you guys know. All right, I've actually grown this account over $2,000 within the last week. All right, this is only like a 5-day-old account, and I have this currently floating in profit. All right, my biggest lot size here is 0.20. All right, and I actually have my stops at profit. So worst thing that can happen with my 0.20 is I make $36, and I'm hoping that it actually keeps on shooting up. All right, I was looking at this specific area here, and I believe that we actually had a rejection. So I actually entered two more 0.10s right there, and as you guys can see here, we're shooting up. And like I said, I'm doing a lot of live trading. I want to make you guys better traders, and then ultimately as well, the simple fact is that since I'm trading and I'm actually recording most of my trades, all right, I trade on my phone. Usually I'm trying to do it on the computer more. It's helping me out with my patience, and then at the same sense is it's becoming easier for me to look at and spot some opportunities. And at the same time, since I know that, you know, a lot of you guys are counting on me for some information and things like that, you know, I want to pretty much just be on point and actually take my account up. Okay, usually, you know, if nobody's watching you, sometimes there's no pressure. So, you know, as you guys can see here, my equity is now above 7,000. All right, so hopefully I can take this account. My goal was for the month $10,000. So as you guys can see here, I'm on pace. I mean, the way it's looking, today's Tuesday, I mean, I could potentially hit that before the weekend even starts. So I do believe that I can do that. As you guys can see here, I am up in profit. All right, and make sure you join my Discord. All right, this indicator is actually going to be releasing on the, I believe, Black Friday or Cyber Monday. I'm not sure. I have to double check with the developers, and they're still testing it. I'm actually the one that's been giving them a lot of the feedback to try to get this up and running. As you guys can see here, I have 3 other indicators. This is going to come with a lot more stuff than I'm showing you guys. I'm just not able to show you guys for I guess, you know, non-disclosure reasons or whatnot. But yeah, guys, I mean, this is it. I'm actually going to close maybe this one in a second. You know, why would I leave $200 profit out there? So let's see what I do here. All right, so make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. All right, once I take this to 10,000 bucks, I should be able to go ahead and have enough to go ahead and give away. I mean, obviously, you know, this is my secondary income, so of course all of this is like, you know, play money. And of course, don't trade any money that you cannot risk. Okay, like, you know, I have strategies in place. Okay, and you know, I believe that, you know, I'm getting better. All right, I'm growing trades and I'm growing the accounts, and this is not my only account. All right, I have actually 2 more accounts. This is actually my second largest account, but I wanted to go ahead and make a specific account specifically for this indicator. All right, and like I say, I do not take all of these signals. So if you think that you're just gonna get this signal indicator and become profitable, just save your money, guys. I mean, I'm not trying to sell you guys this. You know, I want you guys to become profitable. As you guys can see here, you know, I've been trading for a while. You know what I mean? Like, I closed a few on my phone right now just to snag some profits. Okay, but let's see here. So I just closed these 2, 44 and 20. All right, and now I'm above $2,000 profit in around 5 days. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna keep this going. I'm gonna keep this profits rolling. As you guys can see here, I'm actually gonna move this back to here. Boom. Okay, so now worst thing, this is a risk-free trade. All right, worst thing that can happen, I make $75. All right, you know what I'm actually gonna do is 0.20, you know. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna let it ride out, you know what I mean. 0.20. Let's go ahead and put the take profit. Let's move the take profit, okay, instead of take profit. Whoops. Yeah, I mean, I can't grab this thing. Wow. Whoops. Shit. All right, got it. All right, so let's move it right here. 280. All right, I want 280. I want 280. Come on, give it to me. All right. Until the next video, guys. That's all I wanted to show you guys, man. You know, I'm not the best trader, but I'm sure one of the most profitable on YouTube. I know that because a lot of the times they don't show you guys live trades, and I make that one of my biggest things. I want to go ahead and bring you guys raw, unedited content. And as you guys know, I started the week on Sunday down 500 bucks. So, you know, profit $2,000, and I had a $500 loss on Sunday. So you figure, you know, I've gained that back plus some. I'm over $1,000 on today alone. So if I can make $1,000 every single day, I mean, that's money in the bank, you know what I mean? So until the next video, guys, I am out. All right, as you guys can see here, I just closed another one on my phone. Snag that, and that's money in the bag, baby. So all day, I'm doing this all day for you guys, and until the next video, guys, I am out. Peace.